So I've talked about backups, but what is a backup strategy? And I'd like to recommend what professional photographers have used for years, actually almost since photography started. That's 3-2-1. 3 copies, 2 media, 1 off-site. So what does that mean for your digital images? It means you need 3 copies of your digital files on 2 media. And that can be on your computer and on an external hard drive. Actually, I recommend your native digital images be printed because that's a different media. But your prints need to be digitized. And then the off-site can be a physical location other than your home, but better yet, on the cloud. And you want to make sure you're paying for that cloud storage. I know there are a lot of freebies, but you want to make sure that what goes up comes back down, full resolution, and everything, all the metadata and everything is there intact. So that's your 3-2-1. 3 copies, 2 media, 1 off-site. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Happy to talk to you, and keep your photos safe so we can preserve them for future generations.